Well, good morning. I've come out today to see if I can find somewhere to camp in this Welsh wilderness, the Cambrian Mountains. Never been here before, but I'm just doing a quick explore this morning to see if I can come out later and maybe wild camp out here. Could you wild camp out here? It's very, very wild, very remote, absolutely beautiful. And I'm walking to a lake, and I'll show you that in a minute. And then there's going to be some amazing views. It's been raining for about 2 or 3 days. This is the first break in the rain, so it's the first chance I've really had to get out in the hills. It's pretty cold. It must be single digits. I wouldn't think it's more than 5 degrees up here, so it's pretty cool. Not that prepared, no gloves, and you need to keep moving to stay warm. I don't know what it is. It might be freezing cold, but as soon as I get out here I just feel so energized and so alive. There's all this open space, not a soul in sight, only sheep. A real wilderness here. It's very remote, very remote. It's probably this mid Wales region. It's probably the most remote. There's like a bog going on for miles. It seems to be sort of in the shadow of Snowdon, and no one really seems to come here. Everyone seems to go to Snowdon, obviously, which is more spectacular in some ways. I do want to do that as well at some point. I just want to check out the Cambrian Mountains. You can see we've had so much rain. I'm hoping I can get through here. I don't really want wet feet because I will literally freeze. It's very boggy, notoriously boggy in the Cambrian Mountains. Good job I've got these long sleeves on my jacket because my fingers are absolutely numb, especially after doing that drone footage. The problem is doing your drone is your hands get frozen. With these long sleeves, my hands are warming up. I'm walking past this tarn. I know what it's called in Welsh, forgive me. Heading up over this ridge, and to see if I'll come back to camp tonight. This is quite high up, this lake. I'll put the altitude on the screen. When you're high up like this, suddenly the fog can come in. I was hoping to get a bit of a view over this ridge. It's still an amazing place, look at it. Absolutely amazing. Heading into the fog. Down here by the lake, there's a couple of buildings. Everywhere else I've seen is either boggy or it's heather, so it's not really possible to camp there. Yeah, so this is just an agricultural building. It's not a farm. It's for the sheep. So that's not the end of the world. There's an old, dilapidated cottage just down here. Camping amongst the ruins, maybe. And it's a little bit too ruined. Look at that. There's a fireplace. I bet over there, look, huge fireplace. I bet those walls could tell a few tales. So now I'm walking the Cambrian Way. I did want to get on the Cambrian Way. I don't know what that little hut over there is, if that's a bothy. That would be nice if it was. I'll camp in there. So it's not a bothy, unfortunately, it's a boating lake. It's a boating hut. And I can't even get to it because I need a boat to actually get to it. There's always one more bend, isn't there, to go round. I've probably got about 20 minutes I can go now. Hopefully I can get over this ridge and see the view at the top. So I'm off piste a little bit here. Just going to get over this ridge. What a view. You can see where I've come. I don't know how far I'm going to be able to go. Across here, big tufts. But it's probably not safe. So I have to head back, I think. It's bog. See, even up here it's bog. And I don't go sinking in the bog. I do want to see the view though. But it's not to be, I don't think. So close yet so far. But I can see that amazing view already, so I think that's going to have to be the end of this little explore. Obviously no camping up here. So I'm going to head back. It's been lovely walking in the hills again. It's been a while. Unless I can find any camping spot on the way back that I missed, it looks like I'm not camping tonight. But let's see. I have at least found a place where you could put a tent. Yeah, I think here I could put the tent here. No problem. And have that view with the door here. It's very close to this road. You've got this lovely view. So I can camp here. But will I? So I've got an option. What will I decide to do? Yep, I think I should do it. So now I'm going to head back and get ready.